Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to upload song on Starmaker application. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open Starmaker application from your app drawer, and as soon as you are in, make sure that you are signed into it first, and after you're in, tap on the microphone icon in order to upload a song. You can select any karaoke tracks from the songbook category. Choose the karaoke track from the song list. Tap on the sing button in order to sing to a particular track. You'll need to allow access for your camera and your recorder. Tap on OK, let's do it in order to enable it. Allow access by tapping on allow. The lyrics of the song will be displayed on the screen. You can either select hook, solo or duet, and start by tapping on start and sing to your karaoke track. After you're done, tap on the tick mark at the right side. Starmaker will rate you according to your singing, and this is the preview of your recording. Type in whatever you like about the song that you recorded. After you are done, you can choose to change the effects from the effects menu and customize your sound as well. Go through the effects and apply them to your song. There are equalizers, volume and adjustments that you can make to your song as well. If you want to put any kind of a slideshow on your video, then you can choose from your gallery by tapping on slideshow and pick pictures of your choice. Tap on cover and take the cover image from your camera or choose from your photos. After you are done, tap on post. That is how you can upload a song on Starmaker. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.